In this video, I'm going to show you a very classic Chinese dish, braised pork ribs with radish. If you're curious how to make a complete Chinese meal, you must finish watching this video. So let's get started! Today I have 700 grams of pork ribs, which is a serving for 2 people. First, put the ribs in a deep pot. Add some cold water to cover the ribs, 2 spoons of cooking wine, and 3 slices of ginger. Heat the water on high to boil. This step is just to get rid of the smell of the pork. While you wait, you can prepare some spices. Cut 2 slices of ginger, chop some scallions, cutting the white parts into longer sections and the green parts into pieces. Now the water is boiled, remove the foam. This is the origin of the smell. Then wash the ribs under warm water, making sure that the foam is completely gone. Turn the heat to medium and add some sunflower oil. Add about 8 cubes of crystal sugar. You can also replace it with brown sugar. Let the sugar melt slowly until it's caramelized. And then you can add in the ribs. Fry them until they are coated with sugar on both sides. Look at that beautiful brown color. I'm sure it tastes so good. Now add the ginger and the white parts of the spring onion, 2 pieces of star anise, and 2 pieces of bay leaves. Fry for 30 seconds. Then add 3 to 4 spoons of Chinese soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, some warm water so that the ribs are just covered. Put the lid on and cook them over medium heat for 40 minutes. In the meanwhile, peel 2 radishes and cut them into small cubes. Remember to check and stir the ribs every 10 minutes so that the meat is cooked evenly. Since we have to wait another 30 minutes, I want to show you a very simple vegetable dish, scalded lettuce. The braised ribs are salty, so the lettuce balances the flavor perfectly. You just need to scald the lettuce for 30 seconds and then make a sauce. 2 spoons of Chinese soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of sugar, 5 spoons of water, and 4 cloves of garlic cut into dices. Heat some oil, fry the garlic, and then the sauce. Pour the sauce over the lettuce, and that's it. Okay, 40 minutes are up. Now put the radish into the pot, turn on the heat, and cook them without a lid. Until you see the radishes are soft and turning a nice brown color, take out the seasoning with chopsticks. Be sure to taste the sauce to see if you need more flavor. I add half a spoon of salt and the flavor is just right. Finally, sprinkle on the rest of the scallions. I prefer to have more sauce, so I turn off the heat at this point. I can eat 2 bowls of rice with this sauce. I also like to sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top to add some flavor. And there you go, you have a complete Chinese meal. Trust me, these 2 dishes are so delicious and easy to make. You need a whole bowl of fried rice because you just can't stop. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next Thursday.